You know that your heat exchanger requires proper maintenance. You want that maintenance to be performed effectively and thoroughly, without having to arrange 1,001 things. So do we. We are Thermo-Clean, experts in cleaning filters, extruder components, die plates and heat exchangers with more than 30 years of experience. We'll arrange everything for you while guaranteeing a heat exchanger that is 100% clean, which you cannot achieve with water jetting or chemical washing. Because neither method guarantees a purification of 100%. They simply can't. Because a high-pressure water jet can't reach everywhere and only removes superficial dirt. Result: your heat exchanger is maximum 70% clean. Cleaning your heat exchanger in this way is like cleaning a dirty car with a feeble water jet. You'll be able to remove any superficial dirt that is stuck in easily accessible areas. But those persistent mud stains, they'll still be there. Conclusion: your heat exchanger is still dirty and cannot achieve its specified output. The proper solution: thermal cleaning. Your heat exchanger will be as good as new, without any historical contamination, but with a continued efficiency and optimal TCO, year after year after year. Thermal cleaning is a controlled purification process performed in one of our specialized cleaning facilities. We place your heat exchanger in an oven, after which temperatures are increased up to 420 degrees C in a controlled way. Those high temperatures, combined with a low oxygen level, converts the organic components of the contamination into gas. We recuperate those gases to be used as fuel for our oven, an environmentally friendly and cost-efficient process. This thermal process converts fouling to dust, which we rinse out afterwards. Thermal cleaning is capable of removing even the most persistent dirt, also in those hard-to-reach places. The result is a heat exchanger that is 100% clean, delivering a better throughput, a longer service life and a significantly reduced energy consumption. Not only the end results are better, even the process itself has some important benefits. It can be dangerous to hose down your heat exchanger on site, not to mention it being polluting. Thermal cleaning, on the other hand, converts every kilogram of organic contamination into 50 grams of ashes, reducing our water consumption by 95% to completely clean your heat exchanger. And there's less waste as well. At Thermo-Clean, we do more than cleaning alone. With our total care approach, we will unburden you completely. Besides decommissioning and recommissioning your heat exchanger on site, we arrange everything for you. This is how our 10-step cleaning process works. 1. You dismount the heat exchanger to be transported. 2. We arrange transportation to our nearest cleaning facility. 3. We disassemble the heads and floating heads, among other components. 4. We then take the heat exchanger from its casing. Is it stuck? Then we'll first perform a primary cleaning in order to get it out. 5. The thermal cleaning itself is performed in our specially in-house developed pyrolysis ovens and according to a cleaning procedure that is customized to your bundle. After that, we clean off the heat exchanger with high-pressure water jetting. 6. We then perform all the other specified maintenance works. This means that we can refinish the casing, perform an eddy current testing, or even repair or replace damaged tubes. 7. Reassembling. We assemble everything. 8. We perform several pressure tests to verify that your heat exchanger is 100% operational and to detect any potential leakage. 9. We prepare your heat exchanger for shipment and return it to your site. 10. You can install the clean heat exchanger for immediate use. So, do you want your heat exchanger to be as good as new? Do you want maximum output and an extended service life? And do you prefer a turnkey solution that organizes it all for you? Talk to Thermo-Clean today. Discuss your case with us via sales@thermoclean.com or visit our website www.thermoclean.com.